Hi guys, just another update on now we're going on at the workshop. Floor's just about done. We've had to come to a bit of a stop because of a bird's nest. Floor become clear in a minute. But anyway, this is an update on how far we've got. Hope you enjoy. Just to give you a rough idea on just how much hard work this is, I've umped about 12 tonne of ballast down into the workshop from top at yard here. I've tried to stick to sort of sections of 6 foot by 8 foot to make it more manageable. Then putting some shuttering round and mixing the concrete and just tipping it straight in. And then once that section had dried, it was a matter of jointing the damp course underneath with some jointing tape and moving down, and just kept moving down the workshop like that. For the mix I was using 4 ballast, 1 sharp stand and 1 cement, so basically a 5-to-1 mix. Made it quite sloppy so we could tamper it down and try and get as many air bubbles out as what we could.
Can we start on the mix?
Yeah, you might as well. For levelling, I'm just using the shuttering on one side, which is all levelled off. I pre-levelled it off before we started pouring concrete, and using the original concrete pad on the other side to keep it all level. It seems to work. And then once I'd done the bottom side of the workshop, or at least 2 sections, I had to clear the top side. That side's going to be slightly raised up. It just saved me digging all the original floor out. Because the floor in this side is not too bad, it's just got the pit in it and it's uneven. So I couldn't see the point in ripping it all up. I think over the top of the pit, once I got it level, I could have done with some rebar in the concrete, but to be honest I couldn't be bothered to come fetch any, so I just started laying. And that was just rinse and repeat like I've done before. Put the damp course down, put some shuttering up and start pouring concrete in. As I started to pull my shuttering up, where I'd used for the middle section of this piece, I kept hearing loud squeaking. And at first I thought it was a rat's nest. I'm not a fan of rats, but I figured with all the rubbish and whatnot I've moved, possible. and then I realised what it were, so all work had to come to a stop for a while. So I left the camera recording, and this is where I found there were about 6 babies in there, and I think they're all hungry because I'd stopped the mother from coming in, so we had to stop work for a while. Well, it's been about 2 weeks now, and I think they've all gone. There's no squawking anymore. Just a bit of a nest left in there now, I think. So I managed to get some floor laid. I've just got this section to do now. Then we've got a floor down. Problem is now I'm struggling to get hold of some cement. Apparently there's a bit of a shortage. But we'll get there. What I'm going to start and do next is clean this store place out, put some shelves in and paint it all up, I think, so I can start moving some stuff out of my old workshop. Get that fascia board done. I managed to salvage a door after a skip for that doorway. I've also managed to salvage some pine boards where I can use for a fascia board. But all in all, it's not looking too bad. So from where I started with a leaky roof and an unlevel floor, it's coming on quite nice. So that's about it for this one. Hopefully next time hopefully have some electric in there maybe. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.